This is the 2021 Land Rover Vogue. As you can see on the door handle, it's got these little indentations showing you that it's keyless entry, which means that you don't need to press the buttons on the key. You can just put your hand inside and the car will open, and then when you want to lock it, you can just press the indentation and it's locked. Very useful, but also you are vulnerable to like keyless theft. So what we're going to do is you can disable keyless entry. So if you want to disable keyless entry, you press the lights, and unlock. Nothing seems to happen, but we've just disabled it. So now if you go ahead and push the door lock, nothing happens. If you lock it, completely disabled. So to enable it again, you quite simply do the same, but you press the lock button. So we're pressing lights, lock. Nothing happened, but as you can see now, the keyless entry is reactivated. That's how you use it.